Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've had a great week. So today I've decided to do another SFX tutorial because I haven't done one in a while and they are super fun to film. So if you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and I can film some more of these for you guys. So for this tutorial, you'll need liquid latex, scab blood, toilet tissue, eyeshadow brush, 3 eyeshadows, a red, a black, and a blue or a purple, a makeup wedge, some white paint or white eyeshadow, a spatula, some foundation which is darker, powder, a powder brush, and some small sharp scissors. So first what you want to do is fold up the toilet tissue just into like a small little thin worm, and then what you want to do is kind of cut like a bone shape at the end. It's kind of like a little two-way thing. And then what you want to do is cover it in liquid latex. You can use the wedge to mold this in, but I just went all in and put it in with my fingers. Yes, this does get really messy, and I do recommend putting down some newspaper or something so you don't mess up your desk, but latex is easy to remove anyway. So what I do is after the latex is dry, I will cut them shorter, and yes, this took me 3 attempts. This is why my hand is all patchy, as you can see here. So I'm just blending liquid latex on the main part of my wrist. And then what I'm doing is I'm taking up 1 sheet of toilet tissue and flattening that on top, and I'm ripping away the edges where there's no liquid latex. Now I'm covering that toilet tissue with liquid latex as well, and I'm going to wait for that to dry before I put on the foundation. By the way, this is a super easy SFX tutorial. You can use it to prank your friends, or you can use it on Halloween. Yeah, I think these little tutorials are quite effective and they're super fun to do as well. So I'm putting foundation on top of that, and I'm also blending this like on my hand and around my wrist because it was quite dark. And use a darker foundation because the toilet tissue is white, so it kind of disguises it a bit better. And now I'm setting it with powder. This will just help to blend the eyeshadows on top more easily. Then what you want to do is cut a little section, like almost a little square, but leave a little flap. This doesn't hurt at all. The scissors easily slide underneath the tissue, and you can just feel where your skin is. It's super easy to cut. Now what I'm doing is laying down some liquid latex because the bones are going to stick on top of this. And I cut my bones much shorter to fit in that gap. I wish I kind of made my bones a little bit longer and made the skin flap a little bit longer so it wasn't like too thick bones sticking out, and it kind of like blended in a little bit more, but oh well. This was like, well, the 3rd time trying this, but I'm not a professional, so I'm still learning along the way as well, and this just goes to show that, you know, even people like me can muck up. So if it's not working for you, just keep trying and don't give up, and it will soon look good. That's my like ultimate tip for doing makeup. So I'm just blending in blue and red eyeshadows all around to kind of make it look like bruising, and this will kind of blend in the latex to your skin as well. It'll kind of disguise it a little bit. Now I'm taking some scab blood on that spatula, and I'm just putting this all in between the bones. I get the scab blood from Trade Me if you're living in New Zealand, but if you're not from New Zealand, you can just type in scab blood SFX and something should pop up. This honestly is a lifesaver, like for all my looks. It makes everything look so gory and realistic, and yeah, I just love this stuff, and it's quite thick and dark, so it makes it look more real. I definitely do miss filming Halloween looks. I know a lot of you guys like them, and they're one of my highest engaged videos, so I definitely want to film more of them. I'm such a horror fiend. I know Halloween isn't till months and months away, but oh well, I guess we can just get excited for it. And now what I'm doing is I'm just taking that white paint and adding a little bit on the bones. I wish I didn't add so much because real bones are quite off-white or slightly yellow, and I did add a little bit too much white, so to make it a little bit more realistic, just add a little bit less white. So this is the finished tutorial. I hope you guys liked it. I do kind of like it. I'm not 100% happy with it, but then again, I'm not 100% happy with all of my makeup looks, but you guys seem to like them, so that's good. So give this video a thumbs up if you did, and leave any video recommendations down below in the comments. I love hearing from you guys. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It would mean so much to me. I hope you guys have a good week, and I'll see you guys in my next week's video. Bye.